What's up, Seal? What's up, Preaching Wealth? What's happening, guys? Preaching, you're in the YouTube today, man. Damn, son. Morning, Eloa. A very good day if you had all sell-offs. Yeah, we caught this sell-off today. Well, I didn't personally, but the members did. What's up, Frenchie? Hey, there's the TikTok. There's the TikTok. I just searched it, bro, and I saw it. So I'm gonna be keeping up to date with you, bro, on your posts. But yeah, caught the most of the members caught these sell-offs. I tried to catch these sell-offs, but I just couldn't get a good entry. I ended up like 3 break-even trades pretty much. A couple of them like got, you know, I was at break-even but got slipped like a couple pips. So yeah, 3 break-even trades pretty much trying to catch the sell-offs. But I mean, everybody else in the academy. Everybody else caught the sales today, man. Like, everybody went absolutely crazy today in the academy, man. Where does it start from? It starts from here. Seal catching them early this morning. Then Tony caught 30-minute signals. Laser, Kate, Francois, Seal again. That's mine. Kate, Anna as well. Seal catching more. There's Kate's, more from Francois, Laser as well, Seal. Yeah, it was just insane, man. Like, members are trading better than me right now. Yeah, man. Everybody, like, everybody in the academy had a good day today, man. Seal on fire, yeah. What's up, Praj? I mean, Tony, you're on fire as well, bro. Where does today take you, bro, in terms of trades? Percentage-wise. What's up, TikTok? What's happening, TikTok? Would I choose that as my weekly target? That weekly candle has no top wick. I feel like this is where we're going to be heading this week, right? If we don't come up to this level this week, 2392070, I'll be very surprised. I'll be very surprised. This is simply just a weekly bottom wick being formed. We've spiked out of the previous daily lows. Liquidity, grabbing some liquidity potentially. This could just be previous weekly, current weekly candle low wick being formed before then price starts flipping back bullish and driving up into these levels. Like I said, I'll be very surprised if we don't see this level this week. But as of right now, I feel like this 4-hour candle can reject this right here. I think we're going to get a bit of a rejection coming in here. Is this Euro USD? No, this is gold. Got into a buy 2339.8. You think we're going to 2370? I mean, yeah, potentially. For me, I'd have to make sure that price rejects this level first of all. What's up, Saeed? Up 5.5%, Tony. Let's go. So you got what? You got 4.5 more percent to go. It's not bad, bro. Will this be the first one you pass, Tony, or have you passed one before? User, appreciate the follow. Let's go. And man, quick analysis, retrace back to original supply zone at 2333 and then back up. What do you think? I mean, yeah, so today, in the academy today, I did send out a weekly gold update, and yeah, that was also my analysis, Ethan. So I feel like either gold is going to reject this level right here, where it's currently sitting and rejecting, and from here we're going to reject and come back up. You know, I'm not saying that's going to happen today during NY session or whatever, but I think if price can start to like bounce around here a little bit, we're going to see upside from this point. Like I said, back up into those levels, 2392070. If not, if price breaks this level, then I feel then it's coming down into this level. And then we'll see the upside potentially from there. But in terms of a weekly bottom wick, I feel like this is pretty decent what we've had already, right? I feel like we've touched back into that previous weekly break of structure level. Price has made a 214 pip bottom wick, right? From the weekly perspective, that's decent, right? And like I said, we've touched down onto these weekly areas. It can potentially, this weekly zone can potentially, like, where are we? Let me just unlock. Can potentially come down all the way into here, right? That whole previous weekly wick to the body. This could be the zone. Obviously, I don't like marking out zones like this too much because on the lower time frames, for example, if we go to like the 15-minute, this zone is just going to be humongous, right? Look at that. And that's not really, that doesn't bring any accuracy or anything like that, right? It can be very confusing. So I just like to draw it from the 4-hour. How much are you going to lose today, bro? I've already lost $400 today, man. But yeah, I think price can reject this zone. You can see some rejection coming in already. And if not, then the next level down will be 2324, 255, in my opinion. We got PPI this week. We got the Fed chair speech. We got inflation. So another big week for gold this week. FVG is valid. What FVG? Which FVG you talking about, my brother? But yeah, the indicator today, right? The Forex liquidity indicator. These are the sales that most of the academy caught right here. See this 30-minute sell signal. And from that 30-minute sell signal right at the trading window open, stops would have been here. No, stops would have been here. About a 25 pip stop. There's the 1 to 1, 1 to 2 price. From that signal, price has dropped 150 pips. Pure technical, yeah, mostly technical, Jude. Mostly technical. What's up, Squizzy? There was actually a 30-minute closure below that level as well. About 16 pips. What's up, Laser? What's my win rate? My win rate is, I have it all. This is my journal, Jude. So I still need to put the rest of today's trades in. I've only put in one. But my win rate is, for the start of the year, from the January 1st, 65 wins, 34 losses, a 65.66% win rate, 189% account gain, 671 pips total secured. So far for May, I've taken 12 trades, 67% win rate. April, I finished off 20 trades with an 82% win rate. March, 16 trades, 69% win rate. February, 23 trades, 74% win rate. And January was a bit of a wild ride. 36 trades, 49% win rate. So those are the stats, man. Those are the stats. I still need to put in the rest of today's trades, but yeah. But yeah, the sell signal was beautiful. Absolutely beautiful today from the V4. 150 pips total from there. Why don't you see 2222? I mean, that's, bro. Are you talking about 222 again in 2 weeks? Like, come on, brother. 222 is a long way away, bro. 222 is over 1,000 pips away, my guy. I know you're probably only messing around, but nice, man. That's what I thought as well. So you would wait for a 4-hour closure and go gauge which direction? Yeah. Pretty much. That will be your first pass, Tony. Nice, bro. I mean, bro, you're being very consistent at the moment, bro. Like, you know, just stay consistent. I know it's hard for you waking up early in the morning, but something's working for you right now, bro. Something is working for you right now. So it's not the win rate, it's the risk to reward. Not necessarily, no. I sent you a message. How can I invest? Invest in what, Henry? Indicator and daily levels on fire today. The daily wrap in the VIP was very informative. Oh, did you like that, Laser? Am I in Australia? Yeah, I'm in Australia. I'm in Melbourne. I'm sticking with the method. What's up, Tommy? Do you still use M for your trades? No, yeah, I used M5, Tommy. I entered a trade today on the 5 minute. The trade I entered today on the 5 minute was based on a breakout. Let's do 2. It was based on the indicator level, and you can see price kind of rejected it here, came down, closed below. I entered a sell here. Once the next 5 minute broke it, my stops were above here. It was about a 10 pip stop. And you can see that the trade would have played out, but I moved my stops to break even, obviously at 10 pips profit. And then eventually I was looking for a bit more of a drive down, and then price came up and hit my break even. I tried to enter again, hit my break even again, and then I entered off the 30 minute as well. So I entered once a 30 minute closure below this level. Right here, entered off the 30 closure after the sell signal with my stops there, and again once price went 10 pips in profit, the same candle went 10 pips in profit, then flipped back and hit my break even. So yeah, I was trying to capture the move down into this level that I told you guys today in the academy. Would have been about a 50 or so, 50, 60, 70 pip move, but yeah, it just didn't. Yeah, I just kept getting tagged out break even. It just wouldn't drop, and then eventually after a while we got the drop, but it was kind of messy in the way that it dropped today. There wasn't it did go in the intended direction, but there wasn't a lot of volume when it was moving, right? It just kept going down and flipping back up and then going down and flipping back up. Came and retested that level eventually and then dropped off, but the kill zone? What do you mean the kill zone? Yo, Quiffy, appreciate the diamonds, man. Let's go. Appreciate the diamonds on the TikTok. But yeah, I believe, look at this 4-hour candle, right? I believe we can potentially reject this level now. And we can see a little bit of upside potentially. We need to see how this 4-hour candle closes first of all. So we've got 2 hours left of this 4-hour candle. We need to see how it closes. Do I use ICT strat? No, I don't. I'm serious, Cobb. I'm not messing up with you, especially in group. That's my analysis. Oh, okay, 2-2-2-2. Yeah, I mean, fair enough, bro. But that's like over 1,000 pips away right now. Caught 10 pips at the start of the window on 5-minute closure below. Is it worth taking trades at that low of movement in your eyes? What do you mean, Squizzy? Caught 10 pips at the start of the window on 5-minute closure below. Is it worth taking trades at that low of movement in your eyes? What do you mean at that low of movement? What do you mean by that, Squizzy? The boy Squiz. The boy Squiz. Let's have a look. Guys on TikTok, I am live on YouTube as well right now if you want to come over to the YouTube channel and leave a like. That is completely up to you. But yeah, that is, I literally had this analysis today, right? In the, I'll show you guys in a second. In the academy. So this was my level that I was anticipating price coming down to 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 30. And then beyond 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 5. We were just waiting on these 4-hour closures below this level right here, right? 2, 3, 6, 5, 1, 5. Played out perfectly. We get the 4-hour closure below and then price sells off during the first trading window. The first highlighted background that you can see right here. This is the first trading window. And then price, yeah, sells off 120, 150 pips. Beautiful. Beautiful. Played out to absolute perfection. Exactly how we planned it. Exactly how we planned it.
What?
Where can I find it for you guys? Yeah, here's the video that I uploaded today. You can see I'm talking about these levels, right? And this is what I'm anticipating, a move down into the first level. Here I'm talking about the 4-hour closure below. There I'm talking about that level, this level right here. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 30. Beautiful. Beautiful analysis. And then we just await, we do the analysis, and then we await the signals, then we await the entries. That's it. You get a bias, you get an idea of where the market is heading for the day based on your analysis, and then you just await the signals in that direction. Very simple. You think people overcomplicate trading? Oh, for sure, Toby. I went for a 1-to-1 and was running it for 10 pip trade is too small of a gap. Not necessarily, Squeezy, no. Not necessarily, bro. I've taken loads of 10 pip trades. You'll see over here, look. 10 pips, 10 pips, 10 pips, 10 pips, 10 pips, 10 pips, 10, 10, 10, right? I haven't taken a 10 pip trade in a while, actually. They've mostly been around the 15, 20. You can see I've got a 45 pip one here. 15, 14, 16, 20, 20, 15. So always around about the 15, 20 pip. But yeah, 10 pips. obviously if your stop loss is like 20-30 pips, then 10 pips, you know, is not a good target. But if your stop's 10 pips, you know what I mean, then you can easily target 10 pips for sure. Have you tried Ichimoku? No, I haven't. We don't use indicators like that. This indicator is based on my strategy that gives the signals. It's literally coded by me and another coder based on my strategy, right? So we don't use indicators like Ichimoku and all that stuff. What's up, Kim? How much did you start with, and do you trade from signals or do you research? Callum, what do you mean, do I trade from signals? Are you talking about these ones? This is yeah, this is my indicator. So this indicator gives the signals based on my strategy, right? I made this to help the members of the academy, right? Because it gives all the key levels. It gives you the trading windows to, you know, teach you consistency and discipline, and then it gives you the signals based on my strategy, right? So it gives you everything. It also gives you the entry, the stop loss, take profit levels up in here once you have a signal. So if you're talking about the signals, then yeah. Oh, he was asking him. Okay, fair enough. He was asking Westy. Do I trade support and resistance? I use support and resistance, but I don't trade support and resistance, if you know what I mean. I don't trade support, but I use them. How can I join the academy? Hit the link in my TikTok, the Paddler. The link in my TikTok channel, bro. What is your strategy for precise entry? Going on to the 5 minute time frame, your stop loss is... You're right, stop loss is impressive, mate. Yeah, for entries, yeah, we look for entries on the 5, the 15, the 30 minute or the hourly. It depends. I'll start on the 5 minute time frame. If I can't find a good entry on the 5 minute, then I'll move to the 15 and so on, right? If you can't find one on the 15, you go up. But usually I get my entries on the 5 or the 15 minute time frame. You think people overcomplicate? Oh, you already asked that. What's my lot size? So for full risk, if I've got a decent stop, if I got a decent stop loss, I will use a 5 lot. So anywhere between like a 15 to 20 pip stop loss, I use a 5 lot. Anything really above that, like 30 pips and above, then I'll use a 2.5 lot size. But yeah, I use fixed lots. I don't really go off, you know. It's always usually a 1 to 5% of my account. I've migrated to YouTube. Let's go, Joseph. Joseph is a legend. He's come over to the YouTube channel. Do you use deviation or TR pockets? No, I'm not sure what that is. Sorry, my dude. Punjabi and Kibo, appreciate the follows on TikTok. Let's go. All right, so let's see what is going on right now. Okay, let's have a look at the daily time frame. So this is interesting now because something I actually mentioned today in my video in the analysis sent out to the members is the fact that we can come and tap this level, right? We can retrace from the weekly and the daily and come and tap into this level, the 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 30, without breaking daily structure. And then we can see that move to the upside once it flips, if it does flip, right? But now what has happened is price has come down and broke daily structure because we broke previous daily lows, right? If we're talking about, you know, the structure on the daily, we have higher highs and higher lows being formed, right? Very simple. And now today's daily candle has come down, broke below, broke those lows. So this potentially becomes a break of structure, right? So at this point, like I said, I'm trying to see what this 4-hour candle does. Is this because this 4-hour candle right here did not close below this level? It respected it. And now this one is open, it's wick down, it's trying to flip bullish at this point, but it's made a top wick and now it's flipped back bearish. So I'm trying to see, we're going to have to wait, obviously, like I said, in the next couple of hours, whether this current 4-hour candle closes below this level or if eventually it comes back up, rejects, flips bullish, and closes back in this range, right? And that would give us confirmation that then price can continue bullish at some point, right? So that's what I'm waiting for at this point. Clan D, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Let's go. So if you use 2 lots, you put your stop loss 50 pips. No, Migas. It goes it goes off the pips, right? For example, the max pips I will use for a 5 lot, like I said, is like 20-25 pips, right? 30 pips and above, I'll start using a 2.5 lot size, right? So I use fixed lots, and it's based on the amount of pips that my stop loss is. It's based on the stop loss. John Sharon, appreciate the follow. Let's go. What's up, Nick? Do I need an epic YouTube banner? To be fair, I do, you know. To be fair, I do, bro. Oh, it's Laser. What's up, Laser? Don't know why it's saying Joseph. What's up, Cheyenne? Okay, it's cool. So I got that 10 pips, then went for another trade based on the 15-minute sell signal as a closure below. Day price actually was good, but got stopped out. So you went for... Okay, cool. So I got the 10 pips, then went for another trade based on the 15-minute sell signal at 6:45 after a closure below previous daily low. Previous daily low are down in here. Previous daily low is down in here, Squizzy. So how did you get stopped out here? Where was your stop? Bum, 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 bum. But looks like price is retesting this level now. We've come back up, retested it, we're rejecting it. Hourly as well is looking interesting. We've done a quick retest on the hourly. Now we're dropping down. Oh, you reduced the stop loss. Okay. Well, that makes sense. So you didn't move it to break even. You just reduced it. I mean, that's fair enough. You're managing risk at that point, Squizzy. But this is why, you know, this is why I'm always talking about the moving stops to break even at 10 pips. Because at this point, you still would have been 10 pips in profit. You would have had a break even. But like I always say, if you have a winning trade, bro, it's best to just stay out of the markets then, right? If the first trade you take is a winning trade, call it a day, move on, and come back the next day. Because where does it end? You know, where does it stop? You take a winning trade, and then you try and take another one to get more profits, then you end up losing, and then you take another one to try and end on the day on a win, and then potentially end up losing another one then. So now you've got 2 losing trades and a winning trade, and you go, oh man, like I was up, now I wanna try to get back in profit again. So I'm gonna take another one, and then, you know, it's just downhill from there. So when you have a winning trade for the day, just call it, bro. Just walk away, call it a day, come back tomorrow. What time frame? This is currently the hourly time frame we're looking at right here. There was just something I was going to do. What was I just going to do? Oh yeah, I was going to go over here and do this. Slippery slope. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, bro. But yeah, now let's see what happens from here. So in 20 minutes we got a... Do you have a Discord? Yeah, I got a Discord, but it's just for members at the moment, Nick. Why? What? Do you want to send me something? All right, so we've had the 15 closure below. That drove about 16 pips. Did we get a 30 closure? We got a 30 closure. Did we get an hourly closure? Yeah, so at this point, I mean, you'd have to wait for another hourly closure at this point, which is in 50 minutes. I'm just looking. I'm looking for a level in the market where this could be heading to. Yeah, appreciate the diamond, Monty. Appreciate you, bro. Let's go. Falsey, appreciate the follow. So yeah, this is driving now. This is driving. So I would say the next level that this is where this could potentially be coming into now is, let me go to the 4 and mark this out. It's this level over here, isn't it? But that's quite a steep wick. We can't really use that level. Can't use it on there either. Go to the 30. 30 is a bit of a strong wick too. Let's have a look at the 15. I think down into this level now, which is pretty much, you know, coming into, but this is, I don't really like how big this level is, so I want to try and refine it a little bit more. Let's go down to the 5 minute. Looks like it's going to be the same on the 5. Oh no, we're looking better on the 5. All right, so I think this level, price continues to drop. We're on the 5 minute here. What we got here? Let's go to the hourly. We've got hourly lows that price is currently trying to test. We go down to the 5 minute time frame. You need a closure below here if price is going to continue bearish at this point. We've got what, 48 minutes left of the hourly candle. Message me on Instagram, Nick. Looking for shorts? Not necessarily looking for shorts at the moment. I just want to see what's going on. We've still got, how long left of this 4 hour candle? An hour 46. So trying to figure out. So that's the previous daily. I feel like price, I feel like if price is going to continue bearish, it needs to come up into 2345, 325 first of all. I feel like we need a tap of this level, 2345, 325, if it's going to continue bearish. I mean, it could just drive from here, but I would be more comfortable with a tap into, yeah, 2345, 325 first of all, before we see that drive down. Let's take a quick look at Euro USD. Did anyone look at the free Telegram analysis on Euro USD today? I've already took my trades for today. What's your name? Wasim. I've already took 3 trades today, bro. So yeah, I don't like to take too many trades in one day. So this is Euro USD daily. So where's that previous daily high at? Previous daily high is in here. What big news days do you not like to trade? Is it just so no NFP, NFP, interest rates, inflation, just the big ones. the ones that move the market like heavily, right? Like those NFP, interest rates, inflation. Those kind of news events that massively move the market, cause a lot of liquidity, bring a lot of liquidity, a lot of volatility, you know? So we got one coming up on, where is it? Wednesday, right? So Wednesday I won't be trading because there's inflation, USD inflation. So no trades on Wednesday for me. So what do you guys think is going to happen with gold right now? Give me your thoughts in the chat. Do you think a continuation to the downside into 2324, 255 for the rest of today? Or do we think we're going to see some rejection here and start moving to the upside? What do you guys think? Bearish, bearish. Three break-even trades, Tommy. Well, you know, there were small. Two of them were small losses, but it was like a 2 or 3 pip loss because I got slipped on the break-even. But basically 3 break-even. Leaning towards swing low. This goes down in the sell since 76. Nice. Going to 2, 3, 3, 4, then reverse. 2, 3, 3, 4. Okay. Bearish, but we'll retest 2, 3, 4, 5. Wouldn't enter any sell. Yeah, I wouldn't enter any trade sales now. But yeah, I want to retest the 2, 3, 4, 5 for sure. I'd want to tap at this level for sure. Looking for shorts? Not necessarily. I'm waiting to see what happens from the 4-hour perspective here in this level. Oh, I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it slipping away. But yeah, let's see. If we start rejecting him, we start flipping up, I think we're gonna start seeing this level. Like I said, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 5. Was any news? No, not yet. There's no news yet, but you can look at news. You can look at news on Forex Factory. There's no news until tomorrow. We have core PPI and PPI. Then late Tuesday, early Wednesday, we got the Fed. Powell speaks. Then later on Wednesday night, we got core CPI, core retail sales, CPI, Empire State Manufacturing Index, retail sales, and then on Thursday we got unemployment claims. So it's a pretty big week here on USD in terms of news. Check 5-minute time frame. Appreciate the follows on TikTok, man. Let's go TikTok gang. Check the 5. Yeah, rejecting that level. Let's see what happens. What strategy are you using to choose your trades? Price action, Oscar. Price action, man. Price action and breakouts. You made any trades today? Yeah, I took 3 trades today. My trades were right here. was about a $400 loss, but they were practically break-even trades. There was a couple people lost on each one. But yeah, about a $400 loss. I tried to catch the sales. I tried to catch these sales down today, right? This move down. Anticipated earlier today in the academy. I sent out a weekly analysis video, and yeah, I said I was looking for sales. I tried to catch it. Most of the academy actually caught it. All the academy caught the sales except for me. So yeah, they killed it today. They got better entries than me. Because I missed the 30-minute signal. But I was just waiting for closures below. Appreciate the follow, Oscar. Let's go. Let's go. Appreciate the diamonds, Gilbert. Would you have a quick look on GJ? Looks like it could be a break and retest before continuation up to next level. Looking forward to the game tonight. Oh, the Liverpool Villa. Shit, I forgot about that. GJ right here. GJ. Let's have a look at GJ. Oh, very nice. So yeah, closure above previous daily highs. You got a 4-hour closure above previous daily highs here. And now price has continued driving up. It's currently up 15 pips. What did you say? Looks like a break and retest before continuation. Break and retest what? This like small level right here. One-hour closure above. Very nice. This was a nice entry right here. So what do you want a retest of, Ethan? You looking for a retest of this, or why is it saying that? Yo, Richmore, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Let's go. So we wait for possible long trade on what, Umet? On gold? 197.433, 197.433. Oh, that's a long way away, man. That is a long way away. So at this point, GJ has opened up for the weekly. It's previous weekly is bullish. We broke previous weekly highs at this point. Created a lower bottom wick of about 36 pips. If you look at the daily, also daily, that's the weekly daily high that has been broken. Low wick formed, maintaining structure, right? Look at this daily structure now on GJ, right? This is all you have to look at in terms of a bias and where you want to look for a trade on GJ. Look at this. Very, very nice uptrend. Continue to look for buys until this uptrend has been broken. 4 hour, the entry here today was right here. 4 hour closure. So this is key, right? Look at this rejection here. Look at these wicks on the 4 hour time frame to this level. Beautiful. Then you get a breakout. So you got this range in here on GJ, right? The price is maintaining. Then you got a breakout on the 4 hour above 195343, right? So here's the 4 hour high, the 4 hour breakout. Then you want to go down to your lower time frames, and then you can start to look for an entry, right? So you want to start to look for a closure above, either on the 5, the 15, the 30, right? And the entry would have come, on the 15 right here. You would have had an entry right here. On the breakout, your stops would have been here, and you would have hit a 1-to-1 at that point, and then you would target a 1-to-2. So at this point, you'd be at break even, and you're just catching the momentum to the upside. Gold fighting below 2340. Like I said, 2345. I want to see 2345325 before any other decisions on any other sells or buys. What's up, Omar? Closure and then a retest will continue up. Yeah, potentially. potentially even. So you're looking for a little something like this. I mean, that's a nasty consolidation right there on GJ. Break even today, Omar? Nice, man. Yo, Tommy, I already answered that, brother. I said, what did I say? I said, yeah, pretty much done for the day. I actually had 3 trades, so 3 break-even trades pretty much. Yeah, at that point, I'm done. I won't be trading the second trading window, of course. You know, it's a bit too late for me. So if I didn't catch a trade during the first trading window, then yeah, I'm done. Better than stop loss, exactly, Omar. And then you come back again tomorrow, you go again. Right? It's better than your trade hitting stop loss and then being like, fuck, man, I should have put it at break even. Why do I never learn? Right? It's better to just be out of break even. You're out of break even today as well, Tommy. Nice, man. That's what we like to see. 2 break even. What entries did you take, Tommy? Oh, what are we doing? Let's look at gold. What entries did you take? Am I in a trade? No, I'm not in any trade at the moment. What's the pair? This is XAUUSD. Yo, Gilbert, appreciate the diamonds again, man. What did you think I was going to do today? Luke, so on the analysis that I sent out this morning to the members, I anticipated these sales down today, right? A lot of the academy caught them. I ended up with pretty much 3 break-even trades today. I couldn't quite catch a good entry in here. I missed the 30-minute signal from the indicator. So the 30-minute signal actually drove down in total for this one right here. Drove down a total of like, what, 150 or so pips at that point. But yeah, I had a few entries, got tagged out at break even, a small loss, $400. XAUUSD, Harry. One nice in this file, just thinking long term, yeah. You had 2 entries on the 5-minute, Tommy. In turn, what? From a breakout or from a signal? Signal and breakout, okay. Signal and a breakout. Yeah, I tried to catch these 2 breakouts right here. Ended up entering one here. Like that. Price. I ended up closing on this candle right here. As it started coming back, started flipping back up, I just closed. And then this candle came down and closed below again. So I ended up entering here again. Price went, what? Price went like 12 pips into profit and then hit my break even. So those were the 2 trades I took on the 5-minute on the breakout. And then I went in again off the 30-minute time frame with this 30-minute closure below right here. My entry was here. My stop's obviously above here. And then I was targeting this level. And I got stopped out again once price started driving. I'm not stopped out. I got break even hit again. So price drove down a bit here, went like 30 pips, and then came back and hit the break even. So yeah, I just couldn't catch that move down. Price just kept driving down and then pulling back up and hitting the break even and then driving down again. So in the end, I was just like, you know what, I'm staying out. I'm staying out. Yeah, I know, Ariad. It after like over in these areas, once it started driving again, I was like, I was looking at the 1 hour as well, the 1 hour closure below. So here's the 1 hour closure below. You know, that ended up also driving down like 38 pips. But yeah, I just, at that point, I already took 3 trades. I was like, yeah, nah, I'm not jumping in another trade, man. Is it wise if I move to BE once the trade is in 1 hour profit, then runners to 2? I mean, yeah, you can do that, Tommy, but if you want, you know, if you want to keep the consistency and trade, because that may work, that way may work out for 1 or 2 trades, but mostly throughout, you know, the more you forward test and back test, you're going to see that just moving stops to break even at 10 pips profit is more beneficial. What's up, Ahmad? Yo, can you see my comments? Why'd you always comment that, bro? Of course I can see your comments. Appreciate that, Harry. I'm good, Ahmad. How are you, bro? Nazif, appreciate the follow. So what's the plan for gold today? So I'm trying to see right now what's going to happen with this 4-hour candle. Umit. Trying to see, bro. I'm trying to see. We got some levels in here, some key levels. I want to see price. You know, if we're talking about this break of structure level, if I mark out this level again that I had over here, purple, change, please change. I want to see price is going to reject this, right? This 4-hour candle can still come back and reject this level, right? Create a strong rejection week down from this level and flip back bullish and start driving back up, right? So I'm just waiting to see how this 4-hour candle closes. If it closes below this level, or if it rejects, then we can see that potential up, you know, back to the upside. We can see the weekly flipping back bullish, right? Because again, if you're just looking at the weekly time frame, we've got a weekly bullish engulfing candle. It's broken structure. It's created a higher low and a higher high. And I think this week we're going to come up into 2392070. So I'm just trying to see where this weekly bottom wick is going to be created. If it's going to be here and then it's going to flip back bullish and start driving, or if it's going to dip down a little bit more into 2324255 potentially, right? That's what I'm waiting for. I'm just waiting for confirmations at this level, whether, you know, this is going to be where price holds up, finds rejection, and then flips back bullish. I'm just waiting for confirmations right now. And that's all I can do at this point, is just wait for confirmations. If this 4-hour candle closes below, then potentially I would want to see a wick back up into 2345 before we potentially see a further move to the downside. But I definitely want to see this level getting hit, right? I definitely want to see 2345 325. That's a bit of a mouthful. 2345 235 325, sorry, get tapped first of all, right? So I want to see this get tapped. Then we're going to see if it's going to just retest this level, continue bearish, or we're just going to break straight back through and start pushing to the upside. But that you know, who knows how long that could take. But right now, I'm just seeing, right, we got 25 minutes left of this hourly candle, and look, price is rejecting this level now. This key level is showing from the indicator, from the Forex Cody indicator, right? This is what the hourly is currently rejecting. So the hourly could still flip back bullish from here, reject, flip back bullish, start driving. We have to wait and see. We have to wait and see. How long for the 4-hour? We got about an hour and what? An hour 20 minutes. But in the meantime, we could see what's going to happen from here now, right? The 30-minute closed. The 30-minute closed below this level, so this could just be a 30-minute top wick before it starts driving down again. There's a lot, like, the time frames are not really lining up at the moment. So first of all, we need to see the 5-minute start closing above this level, which it has, right? You can see a 5-minute closure back above this level now. We got a retest, right? This 5 could start driving up now, right? Now we've closed back inside, but we have to make sure it's not gonna be the same as what happens over here, right? Look what happened over here. Price, the 5-minute closed above, this candle drove up, rejected, then we closed back below. Okay, So we just need confirmations potentially now on the 15. The 15 also had a close in, close back out, close back in again, then close back out. Now we're trying to close back in again. But yeah, let's see. 5 minutes driving here. Just find some volume, very nice. We got New York session open in 20 minutes. But here comes the touch of this level. Like I said, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 5. You ready for it? Slam, Roberta, appreciate the follows. There we go. There we go. There's the touch of 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 5. What I tell you guys. Muhammad, appreciate the follow. Let's go on TikTok. It's going up. Wow, you know, I did say it's going to come in and touch here first of all. That's what I want to see. And there we have it. There is the touch of 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 5. Sid, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Let's go. I mean, at this point, the banks should just employ me. You know what I mean? At this point, I just need to start trading billions of dollars worth of capital. I know the moves happen before they happen. All right, so now we got a touch of this level. This is where it gets interesting, because now we want to see if price maintains below this level. Like I said, let's have a look at the 4 hour now. Look at this, right? This is what I talked about. The 4 hour can still reject this level, right? We got a wick down. The 4 hour is now back inside of this zone, back inside of this range, right? The 4 hour can very much still reject this and start driving to the upside. So now we just need to see if, like I said, we got 21 minutes left of the hourly and the 30-minute. Right? Let's see how the 5 starts to play out now, right? Let's see if we reject this, or if we start coming above this level, start rejecting, right? We start bouncing here and then we start moving to the upside. That will be the next step, right? We've got to break it down step by step, time frame by time frame. Am I expecting a retrace to 2, 3, 3, 5? 2, 3, 3, 5. I mean, 2, 3, 3, 5. I mean, potentially, I was anticipating a retracement down into 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 5 if price maintains below here, right? If price is gonna break this level, then I think the next level is gonna be down here for sure. But like I said, first of all, 4 hour perspective, look, price is rejecting this level, right? Strong wick down. We still can close back in this range and above. This is why the 4 hour closure is important. But now we've tapped 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 5, right? Like I mentioned earlier, this is where it gets interesting. Now we need to see what happens from here. Look at this rejection from this zone, right? What's your boss? Yo, X, appreciate the follow. Summit, thank you for the follow. Oh, yo, Summit, you're in the TikTok, bro. What's up, man? BOS, oh, break of structure. Break of structure. What's up, Summit? Not in the YouTube chat anymore, brother. You prefer the TikTok. So obviously at this point, right, we need to see how this 15 closes. Let's see if this 5 minute starts driving back up right here, right, and gives us a nice 15, a strong 15 closure. Potentially what you want to see above these wicks right here, right? And then we can anticipate then further on above here, right? So let me just close down. Yo, Max, wow, appreciate the sub on YouTube, man. We have a new YouTube legend in the chat. Thank you for the sub, man. Oh. I mean, look at this. Look at this precision in here, man. Absolute precision. I did say I want to see a touch of 2345 325 before, you know, price continues to sell off again, and that's exactly what's happened. What's up, Jack? What's up, Jack? Does anybody in the chat know why I was looking for a retest of 2345 325 before price continues bearish? If it does continue bearish, right? Like I said, 4 hour perspective wise, could still flip bullish from here, reject this level and start driving. Previous resistance, not necessarily, no. Daily low, yes, Joseph. Previous daily low. Previous daily low, and what does that mean that we broke previous daily low? It means a break of bullish structure, right? So you want to, if price is going to continue bearish, you definitely want price to come and tap in here and confirm that it's going to continue bearish, right? Because we broke that structure, right? It's like almost like a break and retest. Now that's a break of the bullish structure, right? Because we have higher highs and higher lows being formed on the daily. Now that structure has been broken, the previous daily low has been broken. You definitely want to see a tap of that before price continues down. Had it marked on your chart? Yeah, very nice, bro. It's flipping soon, trust. Yeah, I believe potentially you can flip from here. It all depends on the 4 hour time frame though, man. That's what I'm waiting for. 4H time frame confirmation. So it all starts from now, right? It all starts from the 5. So we've had the 5 tap, into 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 5. This was vital. You can see the reaction from that level in here. So now we wait and see, right? We got 30 seconds left for this 5 minute closure. Still respecting this resistance in here now, right? You can see that the mini resistance here being formed on the 5 minute. So let's see. We've also got a 15 closure here. The 15 closure, I mean, would be closing back into this range with a strong rejection still, but it means we're closing back in the range, right? Which is important. And a closure back in the range means closing back within this level right here. And then that could obviously, we could come down and see a tap of this level. So what you want to see now is a tap of 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, 9, 8. Right? You want to see price come down, potentially tap in here, and then flip bullish, right? Yeah, appreciate all the follows on TikTok, man. Let's go. Appreciate you guys. But that, yeah, there we go. The 15 has closed. 15 could just drive from here now, right? 15 could drive. 2341, 698 previous 4-hour low. Yeah, exactly. Drive up mode, because we have the closure back above now, right? We've got a closure back above, so this is important. So at this point now, we're coming up to the 1-hour closures, and again, so the first important aspect was the touch of 2345 325. That's what we got, right? We have that touch now. We've retested here. Now, if price was going to continue bearish, you'd want to start seeing price sell off from here, because we do have the retest, right? We have the touch, and if price was going to sell off, you'd want to see it sell off. But now obviously the 15 has closed back above, right? We're getting a drive here now on the 15, and now we have a 1-hour closure in 13 minutes. So this 1-hour candle, I mean, look at it, right? It's broke the previous 1-hour lows, and it's also broke the previous 1-hour highs. We've also got New York session open, right, in 10 minutes. So this 1-hour candle becomes important to us now, right? Because you want to see, does this 1-hour candle close bearish below this range, or does it close bearish in the range, or does it close bullish in the range, which would enable then the next 1-hour candle to start driving up as well. So 1-hour closure is now important. We want to see how this 5 starts driving as well. You want to start seeing this 5 minutes, you know, close above these ranges first of all. This resistance, if you get a 5-minute closure above here, then obviously that's going to give you confirmation price is going to continue to drive above. Then we'll see how it reacts around this level, and if it starts closing above here, then I think obviously at that point, if we look at the 4-hour candle now, the 4-hour candle has flipped back bullish, rejecting this overall zone. This 4-hour candle then has an hour left, which allows the next hourly candle, if this hour candle closes bullish, to start driving, which enables the 4-hour to start driving, which enables then confirmation at the rejection of this level, that we can then look for buys during New York session from this level up, right? But of course, it all depends from the lower time frames here, the 5, the 15, the hourly. If you don't get the hourly in 10 minutes bullish closure, then there could be more short-term downside before we start to see the upside, right? We just have to wait and see now at this point. We just have to wait and see at this point. Appreciate the follows, guys. Let's go. New York session, what time does it start? In 10 minutes, Ben. 10 minutes or 12 minutes. DJ, MA, Attico, Ronaldo, Doddy, Alan. Appreciate the follows, man. I'm terrible at reading names, but yeah. What's up, Summit? What's up, Summit? We are live on YouTube as well, guys, if you want to come over to the YouTube channel. But let's wait and see. So we got 40 seconds left here, this 5. Let's see if this 5 minute can close above. It doesn't look like it's going to. You want to see the highest range where the candles close, right? Where price hasn't closed above. So it's this one right here. Right? So this is our short-term resistance on the 5 minute time frame. We definitely want to see price close above here, which we're getting potentially in about 18 seconds, right? And then we take it step by step, candle by candle. The next retest would then be of this level, right? Which would be 2346 830. So if we start getting closures above here, there we go. We got that 5 minute closure above. We're going to get a short-term pullback, creating that 5 minute bottom wick. We've still got 10 minutes left. I think price could potentially continue driving a little bit. Definitely back up into 2345 325. You're going to see this 5 minute flip bearish here. Yep. And then it's going to continue bullish at some point. Once, I would say a tap. Yeah, there we go. Tap into that level. And let's see if it flips back bullish, breaking previous 5 minute highs. And then you would have, first of all, this level. And then the level above that, 2346 830 potentially. But let's have a look at the hourly. Doing good. What about you? I'm good, Summit. I'm good, man. 234328 is previous 4-hour close. Yeah, yeah, Joseph. Yeah, broski. Let's see. Coming up to the hourly close here, we could get, you know, price could kind of just consolidate a little bit in here, but let's see. We got that tap of that level. Now we're getting the drive, right? So first of all, we're gonna come into here again. 2345325. That's gonna be first, of course. We'll see how price reacts. Price could literally just smash straight through this level at this point, right? We could smash straight back through and start driving up into the upper parts here. 2346830. What name your indicator? That's my indicator. Forex with Cody algo version 4. You'll find it on my website, guys. Click the link in my TikTok profile. You'll find my indicator on my website. What strategy does he use? I use price action user. Price action breakouts. Pack Jaya, Hayden, Bowling, Mash bro, Camille. Appreciate the follows, guys. Appreciate the follows, man. Guys are going crazy. You guys are going crazy. The music has stopped. Oh, no, it hasn't. It's lazy. Yeah, I know, bro. I know. Work out how to change it. You see how simple this is, guys? You see how simple it is to just break things down slowly, one step at a time, waiting for a closure above here, waiting for this 5-minute candle to wick down, touch into this level, create a bottom wick, and then you get the drive into the next level, right? Then you see how price starts to react at this level. Starts to reject again. That could be, you know, we got one rejection here. You could potentially get more rejection, right? And then you could see the sell-off. Or, like I said, if price just smashes straight through here, straight through this level, then you'd want to see a 5-minute closure above here, right? Then that's the next step, 5-minute closure above. Then the next level, once price comes down, right? Obviously, once you get a closure above, it's going to eventually retrace, kind of retest this level again, create a 5-minute bottom wick, and then start driving to the upside again. But first of all, like I said, we've got an hourly closure now. So for the hourly closure, what you can expect again is for the hourly to open up. You'd potentially want to see the hourly close above this level, right? If price is going to continue bullish, you'd want to see this hourly candle close above 2345325. You definitely want to see that. So this is going to be important in the next 6 minutes. And then, of course, what's going to happen is the hourly candle, the next hourly candle is going to open up, right? And it's going to start driving down again, right? Creating that hourly bottom wick, right? So you're going to see then that short-term sell-off potentially, right? And that can be seen from the low time frames. And then once that is done, whether it closes above 2345 or whether it closes above, it's obviously going to close above 2344 at this point. But if it closes here, then I'll see a bottom wick down into 2344, 235. If it closes above 2345, then you're going to get a short wick down into this area, and then it's going to start driving. But it's already driving at this point. It's already driving. Look at that. So like I said, then there comes the next level, right? As mentioned earlier, 2346830. We're coming up towards there. We're rejecting. Look at that heavy rejection. We got New York session open in 6 minutes. All right. So this is why you're starting to see this volume come in, the volatility. New York session open. That's why price is jumping right now. A lot of volume coming into the market right here. What level do you think you go to if close above 2345325? Then it's on to the next level, right? 2346830. But now look what's happening. That is a very quick and solid rejection and closure back below this level now. So at this point, let's look back at the hourly. The hourly's flipped back bearish, right? This changed everything. You see how in the matter of about 10 seconds, the whole outlook on gold changed right there. You get the move up into 2346830, perfect, almost tapped in, strong rejection, close back below 23443, 235, and now look. So this is very key now how this hourly candle closes. Look at this, hourly candles flipping back and forth. So let's see. Let's see how this hourly candle closes here. Oh, we got another Cody in the chat sending diamonds. Let's go, Cody. Appreciate all the diamonds, guys, and the follows. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Maz Almrid, appreciate the follows, man. Elite 351, appreciate the follows. Let's see now we definitely want to see this 5 potentially close above, right? Close above 2344, 235. If this hourly close is bearish, then obviously you're gonna see a top wick being formed straight away, potentially up into here or up into here, right? One of these two levels, and then a drive to the downside. So it's very key on what happens with this hourly candle right now. And like I said, we got New York session open. We could get a huge amount of volume. We could get a very quick move coming in the next 4 minutes. A very quick move. Where they get the blue level from? Oh, that's just something I placed, Joseph, based on this, the resistance that was being formed on the 5 minute. That is, price is finding it hard to break right now. We've had a closure above, and now price has come straight back down and closed back below. So let's see. Let's see how this hourly closes in 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Let's see, let's see. Yo, Reese, Keke, Nasty, Ale, Kim, appreciate the follows on the YouTube, on the TikTok channel, man. Guys, we're live on YouTube as well right now. If you guys want to come over, look at that. The last 2 minutes again, it's flip back. Oh, it's flip bearish, flip bearish, flip bullish. This is the beauty of trading gold, man. Especially, you know, New York session open here. Now it's flipped back bullish. Look at this. So I think the way this 1 hour candle closes is very key, right? So like I said, we definitely want to see a closure above. If price is going to continue bullish, we definitely want to see a closure above 2344, 235 at this point. And I mean, there's 2 minutes left. We can still come back up here and close above 2345 at this point. Hussein, Forex, appreciate the follows, guys, on TikTok. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's see. We got about 1:20 here. What do you guys think is going to happen? Can I follow? Yeah, you can follow, bro. You don't have to ask me. Let me know what you guys think is going to happen right now in the chat after this hourly candle closes. Here's my, like I said before, if the hourly closes above 2344 and stays below here, you're going to get an hourly wick come down, tap into this level, and then a continuation drive. If it closes above 2345, above this level, then you're going to get a short-term tap down here and then continuation, right? But whatever we see, if it closes bullish, you can anticipate a short-term pullback, right? Hourly bottom wick to be formed, because look at this hourly bottom wick right here. If this closes bullish, I think this is going to start driving to the upside. But we have to clear these levels first, of course. We have to clear these levels. What's up, the we? Sal, bearish. You guys think everyone's saying Sal in the TikTok? I mean, I took sales today. I took all sales today, right? I was basing all my trades on sales, but I'm just going off a rejection and retest of this level potentially. We've still got an hour left of this 4 hour. It could very easily. There we go. Straight away. There's the tap into 2344, 235 already. Let's see what happens. Close above 2344, 235 and push up. Sell. It's resisting very much on going up. Not necessarily, no, because look at the structure now. Look at this structure, bearish structure in here, right? If we take a look, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. And now look, price has come up and cleared these highs now, right? Created a new high, right? So we can either anticipate that price is going to come back down, right? We're going to see a retracement, a higher low, and then a continuation up, right? Or price is just going to start driving to the upside from here, right? We'll see. We'll see. It can literally do anything right now, both ways. We got New York session open. There's a lot of volume coming in right now. It's kind of deciding on what to do right now. Let's have a look at the 15. 15, rejecting. I still want to touch at this level. I still want to touch of 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 30. Bam, 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 bam. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Let's have a look from the weekly perspective at this point. Weekly perspective. Because the weekly is very important. The weekly has come down and tapped into these areas, right? This break of structure level, this whole break of structure level. It's created a bottom wick of about 220 pips, which is it's a decent bottom wick. Daily has broke structure, but I mean, it can break structure as long as it doesn't close below this level, right? If the daily starts to reject here, and starts coming back up and closes back above this previous daily low, then that could be very beneficial, right? That's what we want to see. But in terms of structure, the daily has broke bullish structure, right? So the daily can potentially bearish. The overall weekly is bullish though. The monthly is bullish. We have spiked out. We've created a support down in here. You know, on the 4-hour perspective. So now again, now we've broke down those time frames. Now the 4-hour perspective is very, very important on how this 4-hour candle closes, right? If it's going to close bullish, respecting this level, or if it's going to close bearish and start coming down and closing below the lows of this level. Again, 4-hour closure, very important here. Very, very, very important. Coming up in 56 minutes. So let's see. Let's see. So there's the tap of 2344, 235. Will this drive? Will we see 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 30? Will we see it, guys? Will we see it? What do you guys think? Will we see 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 30? Two, 3, 4, 7. Isn't this a tap into the 15 and 30 minute FVG? I have no idea, Maran. I have no idea about FVGs, to be honest. Could be. You tell me. All in sound now, says Safeable. We'll go to 2355. Okay. Gold is looking for seller stop losses. We got some stop hunters in the chat. Stuck in a buy from 2347.5. Okay. Okay. 2347. I mean, that's a bit more of a round level, isn't it? Nice psychological level there. 2347. All right, let's have a look at the hourly now. Let me just get rid of this. Very nice. The hourly has made a bottom wick. It's tapped into 2344, 235. And it's trying to drive. But obviously, again, right now we have to start breaking this level again. Because look how price has retested this level. How many times now in the 5-minute time frame? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. We try to break this level, but we are rejecting. So now again, step by step, we need a 5-minute closure above this level, right? 5-minute closure above 2345, 380 if we're going to continue bullish, right? Into 2346, 830. And then you're going to see another rejection around this level if we get to here, right? You're going to see a rejection or a reaction at this level. You make trading gold a lot more fun. I love reading candles, man. I love understanding what's happening. I love understanding the next move, where it can potentially go to, which levels, you know what I'm saying? I love breaking gold down like this. I love trading like this, man. Candle whisperer. I love that. I should put that in my title, man. I got gold just in me. I go, what was that? What was that? Oh, you're going to 2, 3, 4, 6, 830 right now. Okay. All right, so 2 minutes left of this candle. Let's see. Can we drive? Can we close above? Can we tap into 2, 3, 4, 6, 830? The next level. And then once we tap into there, then we need to figure out what's going to happen from there. Then we need to figure out what's going to happen from there. CPI? Do we have CPI tonight? Oh, we do, right? No, tomorrow. It's Monday today. Oh, you gotta love price action, man. Price action, price action, price action. He's king. Will we see 2, 3, 4, 6, 830 getting tapped? Will we? Clark is in Xauusd, okay. Staple is saying Xauusd again. How do you determine each line? Just breaking down each time frame, Wilson. Just breaking down each time frame, man. This is from the 4 hour. This blue line is from the 5 minute. This grey line is from the daily. This purple line is from the weekly, and this overall purple zone that you can see is also from the weekly. What does BOS mean? Break of structure. Sell? Who wants to sell right now? Type a 1 in the chat if you're in a trade right now. Type a 1 in the chat if you're in a trade right now. There we go. There's the 5 minute closure above. So we could even see a dip down into this level, to be honest. We could see a retest of this level, but I want to see 2, 3, 4, 6, 830 getting tapped. Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. It came so close. It came so close. If it doesn't tap into 2, 3, 4, 6, 830, then I am a failed trader. I'm going to quit trading tomorrow and you'll never see me again. There's a poll in the chat. There is a poll. Yes. Are you in a trade? Yes or no? Oh, we got a few people in the trades right over here. Oh, I didn't even see all those ones being spammed, man. A lot of people in trades right now. All right, here comes the pullback. Like I said, back into this level. Let's see. Now we want to see price maintained above this level, because you can see, you know, all the rejections of this level now. So it's important that we stay above. It's important that we stay above this level if we're gonna continue bullish. All right, we want to stay above this level right here. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 30. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me right now. What does BOS mean? Break of structure, guys. Break of structure. 4 candle bullish, 5th bearish. It is facts. 1, 2, 3. Huh? I've been in the sell since open. All right, Nomad. No, you won't. I will. If this doesn't hit 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 30, I'm quitting. I'm telling you right now. You guys will never see me ever again. Am I selling after break of structure? No, I'm not. This was a break of structure to the upside from the weekly perspective. If you have a look on the weekly time frame, you'll see it. Any tips to a new trader? Trade 1 pair, 1 strategy during 1 session. 1 pair, 1 strategy during 1 session. That is my tips for new traders. Can you give it to me? 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 30. Can you give it to me? Thank you. Thank you to the gold gods out there for giving me that, because otherwise I would have had to trade quit trading. Ah, there's something in my eye, man. The gold gods have come through yet again. There we go. There it is. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 30. I did say we should see a reaction from this level, right? You're seeing that right now. You're seeing a bit of a rejection. Bro, it's crazy. I've literally just been following what you're saying the last 20 minutes and made £200. No way, Ethan. Ethan's been following everything I've been saying the last 20 minutes and made £200. That's crazy. All right, so now we've hit 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 30. That's all I've got for you guys, man. Nah, I'm only joking. Now it comes down. Look at this 4-hour candle now. This 4-hour candle is very, very telling. It's all right here in the candles. Everything you need is right here in the candles. Like I said, tears of joy that you can still trade. Getting choked up. I thought I was done. I thought I was a goner. Alright, so now the 4-hour, again, we still got 45 minutes, but the 4-hour becomes very, very important right now, because look, we're tapping in this level, right? This is the break of structure level to the upside, because obviously at this point, look at the structure, right? The structure was bearish, right? Lower lows, lower highs. Now we've broke all the structure. Now we've retested it, right? Now we've retested it. Look at this 4-hour candle, strong rejection, potentially closing bullish in 45 minutes. So once this 4-hour candle closes, if it closes bullish, again, you're going to see another drive down into this area, right? You're going to see a short-term sell-off down into this area. You're going to see a taps of some of these levels, and then you're going to see the continuation for New York session. We could see quite a big move coming in New York session to the upside if this 4-hour candle closes bullish, respecting this level, right? And we've got 45 minutes to wait until that. So let's see. So now look, right? Like I said, it played out exactly how I told you guys, right? If this hourly candle closes bullish, you're going to get a pullback, a bottom wick into 2344, 235, and look what happened. There's the hourly into 2344, 235, and then price driving to the upside. You just gotta map it all out in your head. Look at the 30, look at the 15. 15 minute has now just closed above, right? Now closed above this level. So again, you're going to see a short-term pullback, potentially, if price is going to continue bullish. You want to... Yo, Valeria, appreciate the sub on YouTube, man. I need your knowledge. If this 15 is going to continue bullish, you want to see a pullback, a bottom wick being formed, and now look, right? We've retested this level and it's driving. It's very simple. Let's see where this candle goes. So at this point, the next level is gonna have to be up here for me. In this area somewhere. This is my next level. Yeah, this is the next level. Do all these levels come with the indicator? These ones do, Ethan. You can see this one down here. This red one, this one here as well. And also the gray one. I just don't have them turned on at this point because I'm just doing it manually, right? The indicator gives you, you'll see the level. So you just see that level that just showed up right there. That's the price by the indicator. This one up here is, you can see this key level right here. I did this one manually, this gray level, but it also shows this, right, this level from over here before, right? So I know how to do it manually, right? So I don't need the indicator to give me to them, but the indicator is there to give people who want to learn and need to know how to draw key levels. That's there for them guys. But I know how to do it manually, of course. All right, so a 15-minute closure above 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 30. What's the 30 minutes saying? We got 11 minutes. We got 11 minutes until the 30-minute closure. So the next step is now the 30-minute closure above 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 30. I think we can come up into this level potentially. That's the next level I'll be looking at if price comes up. You're gonna see a reaction in here for sure. You're gonna see a reaction in here in this level. So let's see if we can get up there. But first of all, the next step is a 30-minute closure in 11 minutes above 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 30, and then obviously it's the 4-hour and the hourly closure in 40 minutes. But yeah, let's see. Let's see. I mean, we don't really need this at the moment. It just looks a bit bare without it though, doesn't it? Thanks for teaching and sharing. No worries, Valeria. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for the diamonds. Thank you for the follows on TikTok and all the likes. Now we wait. What I can do is I can go over to the indicator like this, right? And I'm gonna go down here and I'm gonna click this right here where it says project, right? And we're gonna see some more levels pop up over here now on the left hand side in this trading window. And right here you can see this level that the indicator has given us, where you can see price is currently tapping into. Okay, currently tapping into. Look at that. Okay, so we're currently tapping in there right now. And look at the rejection. Look at the rejection from that level. All right, so now again, we just go again. We wait for closures above, right? And I'd say, well, we got 15 minute in 9 minutes. We got 15-minute closure in 9 minutes. But there's a lot of bullish volume right now, and it's New York session open about 20 minutes ago. So I wouldn't be surprised if we start to see, you know, a big drive coming in. But this is the next level that we need to see broken. But you see, Ethan, you see, you know, you can just pluck levels out of thin air with this indicator. It gives you all the levels, bro. Gives you all the levels it needs. All the levels you need, man. All you have to do is just click on this project. It's going to start projecting more levels for you on the chart. To the downside, to the upside. And you can see I literally put that level on. Price tapped into it and now it's rejecting. So what's the name of the indicator? That's my indicator, Khalid. If you guys go on to my TikTok profile, click the link to my website and you're going to find it right there. Yo, Ramin, I appreciate the sub on YouTube. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Man, I ran out of water, guys. Appreciate the follows, man. Appreciate all the follows on TikTok. Lee, Sebastian, K. What pair? This is gold. This is gold, man. But again, this strategy, this indicator works on any pair, really. But like I said, I mainly use it for gold. I only trade gold, actually. Appreciate you, Ahmad. Ahmad is the moderator in the TikTok channel. It worked for you on your JPY this morning? Who's that? Who's this in the YouTube chat? Zero. What's up, MF? Halis, good explanation. Appreciate you, bro. But yeah, that was very intense in there, guys. That was all the work done right there, man. Beautiful. We broke it down from the bottom down here to the top. Now price is rejecting this level. Randomly given by the indicator, so yeah, it's TradingView. Zero. Are you in there? What's your name, bro? What's your actual name? Are you in the academy? Great day. Day back to open day. What do you mean, MF? Day back to open day. Can we get the indicator to work properly on silver? What do you mean work properly? Does it oh, you mean like the signals, Joseph? Oh, okay, JP. You're JP. Yeah, okay. You've got the indicator. Yeah. Post in the TikTok, JP. Sorry, not the TikTok. Post in the Discord, bro. I'll be interested to see how it works on Euro JPY. There we go. So now we're getting that retest of the break of structure level, right? That key level 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 30. So again, very key, right? If we start closing back below this level now, we could again start to see a move down, and it would make sense at this point, right? Because now, you know, that's quite a sharp move to the upside. We've created a higher high at this point. We could come down, create a higher low, right? We've got the lows down here. You create a higher low, and then see price potentially continue during the 4-hour candle. But I would imagine that would happen during the new 4-hour candle, right? If we see it now, it's gonna give us quite a potential strong wick on the 4-hour candle. So let's see. Let's see. Yo, Luke, appreciate the sub on the YouTube channel, man. Let's go. The signals, yeah. So yeah, that's gonna be the next update, Joseph. So in the next update, we're gonna have to have a Yeah, we're gonna have to look at that. That's gonna take some work, to be honest. That's gonna take some work, man. What is your YouTube channel? Yeah, go to my TikTok profile and you'll see the YouTube link straight on my TikTok. It'll just be like a little YouTube you know, sign, whatever it is. All right. Like, look at the hourly, right? Let's look at the hourly real quick. Wait, first of all, we got 4 minutes. We got 4 minutes for a 30-minute closure here. 4 minutes for a 30-minute closure. Yo, Donny Dong, appreciate the sub on YouTube. Let's go. Appreciate you, bro. We have a new YouTube legend. So let's see. Let's see how this 30-minute candle closes in 3 minutes. Can we get a closure above 2, 3, 4, 6, 8:30? Donny Dong. All the levels. Yeah, all the levels will be fine. It'll just be the signals, yeah. Almost 8K followers. Oh, nice, man. We're almost 8K followers on TikTok, man. If you guys haven't followed the TikTok, make sure you follow now. If you want me to continue with the TikTok live streams. If you don't, then, you know, it's all good. Then I'll just leave, you know. If you don't want more live TikTok streams, then, you know, don't follow. I'm from Malaysia. Let's go. Where you guys from? Let me know where you guys are from in the chats, man, in the TikTok and the YouTube. Let's see where everyone's from right now. Appreciate the diamonds, guys. Oh, you're Syrian. Man, I didn't know that, man. Los Angeles, Poland, Nigeria. Poland. We got cool people from Poland. Perth, Spain, Botswana, Nigeria, Austria, Italy, South Africa, Barbados, Malawi, Nigeria, Malaysia. Got a lot of Nigerians in the house, man. Ghana, UK, Kenya, Germany. We got a couple of Germans in here. Shit, man. We're worldwide right now. We're global. Nigeria again. Ethiopia. What time frame do you suggest? Let's have a look. What time frame do you suggest beginners use to trade? Definitely the higher time frames, DJ. So the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour. Definitely stick to those time frames for sure. Slovenia, Perth. Nice, man. We got people from all over right now. So let's see. We got 30-minute closure in 30 seconds. 30 closure in 30 seconds. Let's see. Is it going to close above 2, 3, 4, 6, 8:30? Cape Town, Switzerland, Estonia, Uganda. More Nigerians in the house. Let's go. A lot of Nigerians in the house, man. What's happening in Nigeria? Eduardo, appreciate the sub on the YouTube channel. All right. Looks like this 30 minutes gonna close below, but it's closed above 2345, 325, which is the previous daily low, break of structure low. So let's see. You're gonna see this 30-minute candle flip bearish here. You're gonna see it come and retest into that level. First of all, there we go. Yep, come down some more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 5. Yep, there we go. Is it gonna continue bearish from here though? Is it gonna continue bearish from here, guys? What do you think? So the 5 minute is closed back inside this level, but we have come down for a retest because if you look, this is where price was holding up, right? This is where the resistance was formed right here on the 5 minute time frame. We got 1, 2, 3 rejections here, right? So now price has come down for a retest. It's creating a potential lower, higher low, sorry, right? So you got the lows, potential higher low, highs, higher highs, right? Potentially. Let's see. All we can do is wait and see. South Africa, nice. Not good. What's not good? You guys think Xauusd? Philippines, Somalia. Damn, man, we've literally got everybody in here, man. Worldwide. Indiana, US. Canberra, we got some Australians in the house. You're in a long, Joseph? Wow. Afghanistan, Korea. Sidders, I'm guessing that's Sydney. Good old Aussies just creating nicknames for everything. Ghana. Johannesburg. A lot of South Africans, a lot of Nigerians. Brazil. That's the first one I've seen from Brazil. Jamaica. Oh, there we go. So we retested that, retested this. What's going to happen? 15 closure above that level, drove for about 26 pips. Not bad. Sweden. Sweden and Kurdistan. Okay. Very nice. Mexico. St. Vincent. Where's St. Vincent? Sri Lanka. Pakistan, Thailand, Melbourne. There we go. We got some Melburnians in the house. Harry's from Melbourne. Let's go. All right. 26 minutes till 4-hour closure. This is the vital part. This is what everything leads up to today, right? This is what we've been waiting for the last 2 hours. This 4-hour closure. This is going to tell us everything about the rest of today's session. Stoke-on-Trent. More people from Melbourne. Vietnam. Let's go. My wife's from Vietnam, actually. Zambia. Malaysia. Very nice. Sal. At this point, I know you guys are looking to me for answers, but at this point now, it's just about waiting for the 4-hour closure, right? In 25 minutes. We just need to wait for this 4-hour closure at this point and see what happens. 30-minute has... Oh, what am I doing? 30-minute has flipped bearish. It's rejected that level. So now we got, you know, 1, 2, 3 rejections of this level. 30 minutes pushing. Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum. And then that would just make sense, right? Move down. Pullback, retracement right here, right? And then a continuation to the downside. But like I said, at this point, it's all about the 4-hour closures, right? It's all about the 4-hour closures here in 24 minutes. If this 4-hour candle ends up closing bearish now after all this and also closes below 2342915, this level, then I'm anticipating continuation sales for New York session. Just all depends on this 4-hour candle. It all depends, man. Appreciate the diamonds. Appreciate the follows. Yeah, we got 667 new followers this stream. Any news? Yeah, we do have some news. No, sorry, we don't have news. The news is tomorrow. I don't know why I said yes. Let's take a quick look at Euro USD. Euro USD has continued bullish at this point. Interesting. So tomorrow's analysis is going to be different. If you guys want to follow along for free on Euro USD this week, join the free Telegram. You'll find the link in my profile. Join the free Telegram, and I'm going to be analyzing Euro USD this week in the Telegram channel, and trying to figure out where it's going to this week, and try and give you guys some good solid setups. So definitely go join that. But yeah, Macius, appreciate the sub in the YouTube channel. Let's go. If you guys in the YouTube want to join the free Telegram, then the link will be in the description down below, or in the chat. You'll see it in the chat as well. Sherwin, appreciate the sub on YouTube. Let's go. So the 4-hour is that's the daily. So the 4-hour is closing above this. We also have daily break of structure at this point to the upside. So let's get rid of that. Let's have a look from the 4-hour perspective. I can't talk right now. You potentially got a 4-hour closure above. Potentially got a 4-hour closure here above previous daily highs on Euro USD. So if Euro USD closes above 1.07902 in the next 22 minutes, then I anticipate a continuation up, obviously first of all into 1.08126 and then beyond. At this point, let's have a look at the monthly. The monthly is very bearish though. I'm not sure how much more the monthly candle continue bullish before. I mean, you know, we got previous monthly highs up here. So previous monthly highs up there. We got weekly highs that have been broken now. So the weekly is very much continuing in that bullish trend. We got higher highs, higher lows from the weekly. The daily obviously pulled back bearish here. This is why I was anticipating sales today for Euro USD. Obviously that hasn't played out. So break of structure on the daily as well. Yo, CCTV, appreciate the sub on YouTube. Let's go. Welcome to the YouTube gang, legend. So now previous daily highs have been broken. This structure is potentially being broken. So yeah, you'd want to wait for a 4-hour closure here in 22 minutes above. That would also be a 1-hour closure, the 30 closure, because all those time frames are rejected. 15 has already happened, and of course the 5 break and retest. So yeah, I think Euro USD can now we're potentially going to be closing above previous daily highs. I think it's going to continue bullish here. You know, up into 1.08126 for sure. Sadar, appreciate the YouTube sub. Let's go. We have another YouTube legend in the chat. Let's go back to gold. Let's see how gold is forming. Is it continuing to sell off, or is it pulling back a little bit? There we go. The 30 has now flipped back bullish, and now it's flipped back bearish. So this is why it's very key that we now wait for 4-hour closure, because this is just going to potentially consolidate in here now, right? Just consolidate in here, this level. Let's see. Let's see. Justice, Weirdo, DJL74, appreciate the follows on TikTok. What's up, Justice? BTC, July, appreciate the follow. Samir, appreciate the follow. Ramesh, appreciate the follow. Prince N. Abada, appreciate the sub on YouTube. Let's go. Another YouTube legend has been born into the chat. All right, so yeah, guys, right now we're just waiting for 4-hour closures, right? Just waiting for 4-hour closures. That's it. Mass Gas Destination, Wise King, appreciate the follows. Which pair? This is gold. Youssef, appreciate the follow. Appreciate the follow, man. You had a 1K loss, CM? Damn, bro. Go get water? Yeah, I know. I need water, man. My throat is dry right now. Big 3 weeks coming up for silver, bursting through 30 bucks into the huge target. Please, what did you say, Justice? Did you ask a question? All right, 30 is now flipped back bullish. Again, it came and tapped into 2344, 235. Came back and tapped into that level. Look at that rejection on the 5-minute time frame now. Retested that level. Again, like I talked about now, right? This is now potentially, right, we got the higher highs. It's broke out of this structure right here. We got the lows, the highs, potential higher low to continue bullish, right? Let's see. Let's see what happens. Now we've retested 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 5, right? We've retested that again now. 4-hour closure, 17 minutes. Oh, 17 minutes. 17 minutes. Let's see. I'm just going to quickly go and get some water. I'm just going to grab some water, guys. I'll be back in a second. What's that purple zone you got there? Which one, Daniel? The purple line or this, the purple, this whole purple area? First target, 78 Fibonacci. Sal Wesley, appreciate the follows. Let's go. How do you get that bias description top right? Marcus, that is my indicator, bro. The link will be in my profile on TikTok to my website, all right? Go have a look. Do you ever use MACD or RSI in my analysis? No, I never, Saman. Never use MACD or RSI. Davine, I don't know. Official Royal, appreciate the follows. I'm just grabbing some water, guys. I'll be back in 2 minutes, all right? 2 minutes. Let's see some predictions in the chat. Bullish or bearish? Up. What predictions did we get right here? Bull, bull, bull. Does trading work? Hell yeah, it works, man. Bull, bullish, bullish. You guys thinking bullish now? Let's see if it breaks to blah, 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 blah. Retesting up. Gold, I'm in bullish. Bear, bearish, bearish. How much money do I get monthly? Damn, son, that's a very personal question. But so far, let me see. When did the month start? So the month started the 1st So what would that be? The 4. So the month started here, right? So far this month, where is it? 101 right here. So far this month, I'm up $4,941. For a percentage of about 10% so far. There we go. Now we got the retest of that level again. It's rejected, price pushing up. At this point, it doesn't really mean much because we're just waiting for this 4-hour closure now. Now it becomes, does the 4-hour close above 2345 325? That's very important, right? If we can get a closure above 2345 325 on the 4-hour, then that's going to give me good confluence that price can continue bullish for the rest of New York session. $4K in 10 days, that's a lot. I mean, yeah, that's obviously not gonna be attainable for most people at the moment until you build your capital. In order to make a lot, you need to have a lot, right? That's just how it goes across, you know, whatever you do in life, right? If you have a lot of money, you can make a lot of money, you know, obviously. But bullish USD CAD, what is your analysis on USD CAD? Who wants USD CAD analysis? Put a 1 in the chat if you want USD CAD analysis. How many minutes on the 4-hour? 12 minutes. Zero? Someone put a 0. Does that mean you don't? Nah, only gold. 0, 0. There's some 1s in there. There's some 1s, mostly 0s though. Link to my Telegram in my profile, man. Click the link in my profile and it will take you to my website and you'll get the link to the Telegram there. It's free. Telegram is obviously public, you know. If the 4-hour closes after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, would you expect bottom wick? Oh yeah, of course, Ethan, always. So if this 4-hour candle closes bullish now above 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 5, I would anticipate a potential pullback into that level. First of all, it depends how much. If it really starts driving up at this point, if the 4-hour really starts driving up in the next what, 11 minutes, then we'll see. But at this point, if it closes similar to this, then I expect the wick down into 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, 3, 2, 5 on the 4-hour before continuing bullish, of course, before continuing bullish. So can I mine on my phone only? What do you mean mine? Are you talking about crypto? I have no idea if you can mine on your phone. Am I British? Yeah, I'm British. Do you think we back to 2360 today? 2360. Where's 2360? 2360. Oh, right here. Today, I'm not sure about today, but I think definitely over the week, if we can respect this level, we can stay above, then you're gonna see my target for this week, for this weekly candle, is 2392.070. But first of all, we have to start respecting this level. All right, we have to respect this level, and this looks very messy right now, so I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna turn off, I just hate messy charts. I hate it. So I'm gonna turn off this. I'm definitely gonna turn off this. We'll keep that, and we'll also keep this. This is really the only level that matters. But yeah, let's see. Let's go down to the 5 and let's see. Price has retested that level. I don't see it coming back into here, but I mean, it can potentially. Ethan getting ready for another 200 scalp. All right, so we've refined the levels a little bit here. We're cleaning up the charts a little bit. I always say to the members, you know, keep clean charts. Clean charts are very important. So I've got rid of a few of those levels. I've taken off the price that I don't want to see. We're cleaning the charts up a little bit to get ready for this next 4-hour candle. So let's see. We've got 8 minutes left. We've got 8 minutes left. Let's see. We definitely want a closure above 2345, 325. Yeah, definitely. You British? Yeah, I'm British. Is that a problem? Is that a problem, coach? You've asked that 2-3 times now, brother. Sell or buy? We're potentially looking at buys if this 4-hour candle closes bullish. You trade gold too? Yeah, this is gold. This is gold, man. From where? Birmingham. But I currently live in Australia. I currently live in Australia, man. I currently live in Australia, Melbourne. Ethan, you been crazy today, bro. Dude's just here, like, anticipating my every word. I love it. You're such a... I love it. You don't check DXY? Nah, I don't check DXY. How can I rid of the comments to block my view of your chart? There is something you can press on TikTok, I believe. There is something you can press on TikTok. To get rid of the comments. Yo guys, we hit 8K followers on TikTok, man. Let's go. You guys went crazy. Can anybody help out my boy on how to get rid of the comments in the TikTok? How do you do that? How do you do that? I just realized you can't see all of the chart on the TikTok. You can't see the numbers, but on my screen you can. Look, if I show you guys my screen over here, you can see the numbers on my TikTok, what I can see from my area, but on the actual phone you can't see it. Maybe I should have checked that. All right, let me move over then. Let me move over so you guys can see it. Is that better? Why is it cutting off? Why is it cutting it off though? That makes no sense. Sorry guys, I didn't even realize that. From my screen, it looks like you guys can see it. You're on desktop? No, but Morgan, like it's showing on the TikTok live studio, it's showing what you guys can see. And on my screen, it says that you guys can see the chart and the numbers, but you obviously can't, which is weird. But anyway, mobile preview, here you go. See, now look, now it's saying that you guys, oh my God, this is like Inception right now. Never mind. Anyway, we've got 4 minutes left. We've got 4 minutes left. Pepperstone, yeah, Pepperstone's good. Pepperstone's good, Harry. You need to allow comments to be slide to the right for off. How do I do that? Is that what I have to do? Join the academy, even well worth it. Join the academy, we're killing it over here. Do it, well worth it. The community is growing. No, that's what changed to YouTube. But I appreciate you guys, man. I'm glad you guys are enjoying the academy. It's been a long time coming. I mean, Tony will tell you, man. Tony will tell you it's been a long time coming. Harry, click the link in my profile, bro. That's on my website. In my live preferences. In my live preferences. In my live preferences. Live preferences. Yeah, I'll have to wait. Pop out chat. I'll have to figure that out for the next one. All right, 2 minutes, guys. It looks like we're gonna get that closure, the 4-hour closure, bullish above 2345, 325. Can you move your video to see what time frame you are on TradingView? Oh, yeah. My bad. Shit, man. I'm just doing everything wrong right now. I'm just the worst fucking streamer. There you go. Is that better? Yeah, so, Joseph, so in the academy, right? In the video today that I posted, I talked about this whole move happening before it even happened. And that breakdown, yeah, the breakdown's playing out beautifully right now. So we just need to wait for this 4 hour. Just wondering, the Discord link thing isn't working. Is the link down right now? The Discord link isn't working. No, it should be. It should be. It definitely should be. Let's have a look. Forex private Discord. It should be, Alec. Yeah, bro, it should be. It should be fine. No one's had a problem with that yet. So, what is it saying for you, bro? What's it saying? Oh, you just joined. Oh, did you, Ali? Oh, welcome, brother. Let's go, bro. Let's go, man. Clicked the link. It says time out. Time out. Maybe I'll have to refresh it then. Let's have a look. Let me refresh it and it shouldn't though, because I don't think it's linked that way. There we go. There's the 4-hour closure. So it also actually closed above the break of structure level, right? Which was price label. Let's do purple. When did I move to Australia? Oh, like a while ago now. I've been over this side for about 15 years at this point. All right. So yeah, it closed above 2346830. So let's see, you could either just pull back, tap into this level and start driving, or we could get a deeper pullback, right? And then how you would figure that out is you'd go down to the lower time frames, and then you'd wait for a potential like 5-minute closure below this level, right? If you get a 5-minute closure below this level, then you could see this level getting tapped. If not, if price just taps off here and starts driving, then it's going to start driving. You can see how we have a new, the indicators now give us a new level, right? And it is green. See that? The indicator has now give us this level that would have just showed up as this 4-hour candle open for the new trading session. It has now give us this level in the market where price spiked into over here. We can see over here it has resistance, support. If we go back, we'll be able to see as well support, resistance levels in here. So this is the current level the indicator is giving us, and that means buys above this level, right? So you're gonna be looking at buys above 2349875. 2349875. And how you gonna do that? You can just look for a 15 closure above. 15-minute closure above this level. Then of course next up would be the level that I marked out earlier, right up here at around about 2354, 235. See that 235, 325, 2345. There's a lot of 325 and 235. What was the other level? There was another level in here earlier that was, what was it? It was this one right here. 235. So look at that. We had 2344, 235. And then up here we've got 2354, 235. Is that a coincidence? I don't think so. I don't think so. But let's see. I wouldn't say we necessarily need to come back down into here because it's already been like broke and retested in here once, right? It could momentarily just come down for a quick little tap and then flip straight away, I would say, if it's going to continue bullish. But we don't necessarily have to retest this level now because it's already done it in here, right? It's already tested it in here. So let's see. But Alec, where did the Discord go? There it is. Is it still, you still can't get in, bro? You still can't get in? Did anybody... Yeah, what about it, coach? What about it, bro? Is anybody in the academy, did you guys have problems with the Discord? And if so, how did you get into it? Did anyone in the academy here have a problem getting into the Discord? All right, so like I said, you're looking for closures above this level now, right? 2349875 to continue bullish up into 2354, 235. What's inaccessible, coach? What's inaccessible, bro? He wasn't able to get into my Telegram either. What the hell is going on right now? The link in my profile, it should be. What the hell? What? I've never had this problem before, Alex. So I'm just trying to think what it could be. Because it's not like I can refresh the link because it's not a link that is given in the on the website. It's just I've connected my Discord account to the website and then they add it through that, right? Do I manage any accounts? No, I don't. Not at the moment. Time frame, this is the 15. This is the 15. Let's have a look. Products. Let me have a look at the Discord. No, there, this one. Setup. Settings. Alec, send me your if you want to send your Discord in the chat. If not, then send it me on Instagram or something and I'll add you that way. Maybe. Where's the music gone? No, we'll definitely get you in there, Alec. Don't worry about it, man. Like, I'm here to help, bro. We'll get you in there. I've just never had this. I've never had that before, so. All right, here we go. Here comes the pullback. All right, the 4-hour pullback. We anticipated this. That's fine. Let's see. Let's see. Let me just check it real quick, right? If I go to my TikTok, I go to my profile. How do I get to my profile? Go to my profile, man. Go to my profile. I click the link. Yeah, it comes straight up for me. I don't know why there's problems with it, but it's working for me. It goes through straight away. You're sending it on Insta? Alright. What's up, Talkie Trader? Alright, 4-hour closure above. Let's see. Like I said, I think first of all, down. If it is going to come down into 2345, 325, let's see. We can get a tap into this level before we see then the 4-hour flip potentially. Two, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 5. Tap in. Can we get it? Can we get the tap in here? Let's see. How long do I stream for usually? Usually a couple of hours. I've been live for 2.5 at the moment though. Down or up if we want. So based on the 4-hour time frame, right? If we want to see this 4-hour candle now has closed bullish, respecting this overall level in the market, right? If we want to see the next 4-hour candle continue bullish for New York session, then we want to see a bottom wick being formed. I'm thinking maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 5, a tap into here, right? If it wants to go lower, it can go lower. We can then mark out the level that we had previously, which was down in here, right? We can mark out that as well. I just don't want the price leveler, okay? So we can tap into that. So we want to see if the 4-hour is going to continue bullish. We want to see a pullback. We want to see a tap into these levels, which we're getting right now. Potentially this one as well. And then we want to see if price is going to reject and then flip and continue bullish, right? And then we can look for buys. And buys will be above 2349875, above this level, right? So make sure you mark that down, 2349875. If you're going to take buys, it would be above here, up into 2354 235. All right, but first of all, we have to see a 4-hour bottom wick, rejection of either this zone or this zone. And then we'll see if it wants to flip bullish, right? Why am I getting ignored? I'm not ignoring you, brother. What was your question, man? Isn't it looking bearish? Not necessarily, no. Not necessarily. All right, there's the tap into that level once again. Sent it. You sent it to the... All right, let me see if I can add you real quick. Let me see. How do I maybe I have to do it on direct messages maybe? There we go. We come down and tap that level again. See that? To the T again. Let's see if it continues bullish from here now. How do I add people on Discord? Add friend. Here we go. Here we go, Alec. Now we're getting somewhere, bro. All right, I sent you a friend request on Discord, Alec. Let me know when you get that. Got it? You accepted it? Is that you? Acto one? All right. Now I'll add you to the Discord. And there's the invite to the Discord. You're in the Discord. Now I'll give you the role. Private Discord. So now your name will be orange. That everyone will know that you are in the academy. And everyone with orange names is in the academy. Beautiful. No worries, bro. No worries, man. All right. Now, the 4 hour, right? Like I said, exactly like I said again. Tap down into 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 5. 4 hour bottom wick being created. The 4 hours now flipping bullish. Let's see if we can get that drive up and break 2, 3, 4, 9, 8, 7, 5. Let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. 2, 3, 4, 9, 8, 7, 5. What's that? 45 pips. Is my live? Yeah, Monday to Friday I'm live on TikTok and YouTube. Appreciate all the follows, man. If you're not following the TikTok or the YouTube channel, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna head off. I've been streaming for 2.5 hours. My throat is dry. I'm getting tired. It's 11:15 p.m. But like I said, look for buys now that we've got that tap into here, right? Now we've got that tap. I want you to get your level like this, put it onto 2349.875. I want you to come over here, set an alert, right? So you're going to set an alert right at this level, and then you're going to wait for a 15-minute candle to come up here and close above 2349.875, and then you're going to look to take buys up into that next level, right? You're going to want to do that, trust me. Stop loss should be where? Below the previous 15-minute candle low. And you're targeting 2354, 235. All right. That's going to be your next target. If we put on the indicator real quick and we turn on the project box, you can see as well we got a nice, we got a nice level at the top of that range. Perfect. If I just delete this, look at the next level that the indicator is projecting, right? Right up here. Exactly where I had this level pretty much at the top of that level. So again, you can see the indicator is literally matching my strategy perfectly. So yeah, that's the day, man. We broke down gold from down here, the buys all the way up into here perfectly. Now we got the 4-hour bullish closure above. You can anticipate that this 4-hour candle just continued bullish at this point, in my opinion. And like I said, we can look at, once you get a 15 closure above in 12 minutes, potentially above this level, you can look for a bullish continuation up. What's the prop firm? I don't trade prop firm. What indicator? That's my indicator, guys. If you're interested in the indicator, click the link in my TikTok profile and check out my website. It's on there. What happened to the music? Yeah, you too, bro. You too, Tony. We'll come back and do it all again tomorrow. We got inflation this week. We've got a couple things on gold this week. Inflation, PPI. We got Fed Chair Powell speaks on Wednesday. CPI, which is inflation, of course. Retail sales and unemployment claims. So a big week, a very big week for gold. All right, but let's see what happens. I'm gonna head out. Appreciate you guys. What broker to use in Australia? FB Markets, or I'm currently looking at a new broker called Blackbull. They're a broker from New Zealand. What is my camera? Why are you just seeing like my eyes right now? You're literally just seeing like this part of my head right now on the TikTok. I'm just like this. But yeah, at the moment I am using FB Markets. Very good broker. All right, Alec, man, I'll see you in the Discord, bro. We'll have a chat in the Discord. You use Blackbull? Nice, man. It seems like a decent broker, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I'm exhausted, guys. I'm super tired. I don't use. Obviously, it's not super late, but you know, I have a daughter. I have a family. I get up early with my family and my daughter. So, like at this time, man, I'm getting tired. My eyes are hurting. I've been streaming. I've been talking for 2 hours and 37 minutes straight. Can you imagine sitting there in front of a camera and talking non-stop for 2 hours and 37 minutes straight? Eventually, bro, you're gonna get tired. Your voice is gonna start getting like, you know, your throat's gonna get dry and shit. Like, it's not as easy as it looks, you know. Oh god. First world problem day. But anyway, guys, appreciate you. I'll be live tomorrow, same time, all right? Same time on the TikTok, on the YouTube. Look out for these buys. Let's see what happens. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, all right? It's FP Markets, Roshan. FP. FP. If you guys are interested in the indicator or the academy, the link is in my TikTok profile. If you guys want to come and sub to the YouTube channel, that's also in my profile. Appreciate you. See you guys tomorrow. See you later, YouTube. Appreciate you guys, man. Lots of new subs in the YouTube channel today, man. Insane. Appreciate you guys.